From the heat of Texas to the rocky coasts of New England, a monster's waking up. They're calling it Winter Storm Fern, and it is currently targeting over 180 million Americans. This isn't just another cold snap. It is a 2,000-mile-long meteorological collision that could bring life to a standstill for over half the U.S. population. We are looking at a potentially catastrophic event. We're talking about an inch of solid ice in the south and up to 15 inches of snow in the mid-Atlantic. In some parts of the northern plains, the wind chill is projected to hit a bone-chilling minus 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Why is this happening now? How did the ingredients for a once-in-a-decade storm come together so perfectly? Today, we're breaking down the science, the timing, and the survival guide for the most significant winter event of 2026. To understand Fern, you have to look at the atmosphere. A massive polar vortex is currently sitting over Hudson Bay, acting like a giant open freezer door. It's spilling Arctic air deep into the heart of America. Simultaneously, an atmospheric river of moisture is surging up from the Gulf of Mexico. When that warm, wet air hits the Arctic wall, the result isn't just rain or snow, it's a recipe for extreme icing. Forecasters are particularly worried about the I-20 and I-40 corridors. In cities like Dallas and Atlanta, the temperature profile in the atmosphere is expected to create a warm nose, a layer of air above freezing that melts snow into rain, which then freezes instantly upon hitting the ground. The impact starts Friday. In Texas, Governor Greg Abbott has already declared a state of emergency. While the grid is more resilient than it was in 2021, experts warn that half an inch of ice is enough to snap power lines and freeze wind turbines. For Houston and Dallas, this is a weather whiplash, dropping from mild temperatures to the single digits in hours. As the storm moves east on Saturday and Sunday, the focus shifts to snow. D.C., Baltimore, and Philadelphia are in the crosshairs. If the two main weather disturbances merge off the coast, we could see double-digit totals across the Kawan-95 corridor. Further north, it's about the deep freeze. This is dry, powdery snow that will pile up fast, followed by temperatures that won't rise above freezing for nearly a week. The numbers are staggering. Over 35 states will feel the brunt of this. Natural gas prices have already surged 45% in anticipation of record-breaking heating demand. Travel will be nearly impossible. Major hubs in Dallas, Fort Worth, Atlanta, and Charlotte are bracing for thousands of cancellations. If you aren't already where you need to be by Friday morning, you might be stuck there until Tuesday. If you are in the path of Fern, here is your checklist. Water, 1 gallon per person per day. Heat. If the power goes out, do not use charcoal grills or gas ovens indoors. Pipes, drip your faucets and open cabinet doors to prevent freezing. Devices. Charge everything now and have backup power banks ready.